What if you could get 3 hours back every single day? That's exactly what happened when I started using these 5 AI tools, and today I'm giving you the exact playbook. First, ChatGPT handles all my first draft writing, emails, reports, outlines, done in seconds. Second, Notion AI organizes my entire knowledge base and summarizes long documents instantly. Third, Otter AI transcribes every meeting automatically, so I never take manual notes again. Fourth, Zapier AI connects all my apps and automates repetitive tasks I used to do by hand. And fifth, Midjourney creates all my visual content without hiring a designer. Here's the real secret. It's not about using AI for everything. It's about using AI for the right things, the tasks that drain your energy but don't need your genius. Stack these 5 tools together and you will genuinely transform your workday. I'll link everything in the description. Now tell me, which one are you trying first? Drop it in the comments right now.